Hi all. Today we are going to talk about prompt engineering in generative AI. So what exactly is a prompt engineering? It's a very highly searched term these days in machine learning world. So let's talk about prompt engineering. But before talking about this, let's first understand what exactly is a prompt. So prompt is nothing but an input text where you will provide your question or your query to that model. In case it can be any model which you might have used, for example ChatGPT. So when you want to get any answer from that ChatGPT, so you will provide your data or request or your question or your query in the input box. So that particular box where you write your question is called as prompt. So today we are going to talk about